Welcome to your bedtime story. No, I'm just kidding. Haha. In this episode, I'll show you how to create routines. It's super easy and one of my most powerful features. Before we begin, if you have not seen our bedtime story yet, here's my part. Short and sweet.
Tell us a story.
Okay. Once upon a time, there were 3 little monkeys. They lived in
Alexa, in the rainforest.
Yes, right. They were playing all day, having a lot of fun. If you watched carefully, the 2 little monkeys, I mean Siri and Google, said, in the rainforest. And then, I did some magic with some smart lights and played rainforest sounds. Now, how does this magic work? Let's check out my routines overview at smartandlight.com. Here we go. Lovely picture, isn't it? So what are routines? My routines are as easy as, when something happens, I will perform 1 or more actions. There can be 7 somethings and I can perform 17 different actions. No worries, for today's example, we will only need your voice to start the routine, and I will then control your lights and play some nature sounds. Let's get rid of this other stuff. You can check it out later in my post at smartandlight.com. To start creating a routine is as easy as telling me Alexa, when I say something, then do something. Let's try this. When I say rainforest, then set all lights to green. I am having trouble creating your routine. Try setting it up in the Alexa app to see what's possible. Sorry, that worked last week. What should we do now? Can you cut it?
No worries, we'll cut it. Just use your app.
Oh, okay. Creating a routine is as easy as opening your Alexa app. Open the menu, and tap on Routines. Then tap on the small little plus sign to create a new routine. Who designed my iPad app? This is a joke, right?
Cut.
There we go. We won't need a name, let's leave this blank. Tap on when this happens and, let's see, we need your voice to activate the routine. Now we just need to type, in, the, rainforest. Nice. Let's click on next to get back to our routine. Right. We need to add the actions that I should perform when you say in the rainforest. Tap on add action and let's find the smart home action. Oops, since I forgot to create a scene, let's tap on lights. Pick the room of the 2 little monkeys. Where is it? Ah, here. Tap on next. This is a bedtime story, so let's set the initial brightness to around 40%. Ouch, it's better to tap than to slide on this slider. Our little monkeys have smart lights with colors, so I'll tap on color and set them to green. Nice. Tap on next. We want our lights to slowly dim. This helps the little monkeys to fall asleep. Let's add another smart home action. Pick lights, and then the monkey's room. Here we will dim the brightness all the way down until it's only a night light. Tap on ramp brightness and select, 30 minutes is when they usually fall asleep. Let's leave that. Nice. Now we need to add rainforest sounds. Tap on add action and select my music action. It's easiest to check first in your favorite music service app. Let's say Spotify.
Cut.
For this, it's easiest to check first in your favorite music service app. Let's say Amazon Music, for a song that fits the scene. Make sure to add it to your library, so I can easier find it. The one I'll take is called Nature's Caress and it's on Amazon Music.
Don't forget to add on loop.
Hey, this works only with Amazon Music. Oh, yes, you're right. Let's set a timer. Perfect, let's just leave the default setting. Tap next and pick the monkey's echo. Perfect, we are ready. Oops, wait. Let's change the order of our smart home actions. Tap and hold the initial brightness and pull it in front of the ramp brightness action. Looks good now. Let's tap save. Next time the 2 little monkeys say, in the rainforest, I will set the scene and play rainforest sounds. The lights will gradually dim and when they're finally asleep, I will stop the sounds and there will finally be silence.